Hey there, park goers, and thanks for tuning into another NanoCoaster build from Big Guy Rides. The NanoCoaster series features these really cool Coaster Dynamix roller coaster models. They are scale replicas of real-life roller coasters found at theme parks, and today's coaster is Zambezi Zinger from Worlds of Fun. Located in Kansas City, Missouri, this is a really awesome wooden kind of hybrid coaster that is a remake of a classic Schwarzkopf that used to be the Zambezi Zinger. And these nano coasters are really cool metal cutouts. The first thing that you'll want to do is start by cutting out each coaster track part or piece. I do this by using a pair of sharp nail trimmers. You will want to have both the pointy sharp kind as well as your traditional style regular nail trimmers. The pointy kind are good for cutting them out of the track base, but the regular kind are better for trimming the extra little pieces that are stuck on the metal tracks, which will help you get the track pieces to sit down in place more properly. The pieces can be a little bit sharp, so I will say if you have little ones, I would suggest adult supervision. I always start by bending the track pieces into place of kind of where they go along the track line first before I bend the tabs underneath of the track to secure them into their final location. The reason I do this is if you bend the tabs into place underneath the track first, it makes it a little bit more difficult to maneuver and work the track down the way. The instructions are only pictures, so I tried to lay out the pieces so you can see which one I pick for each step, but if you need to pause and rewind the video, certainly feel free to do so. On average, these roller coaster builds take me about an hour to complete. Some of them are 30 minutes, some of them are 45, just depends on the nano coaster. And I think it's a really fun, cool activity, and I hope to do more soon. So hopefully this helps you build your own nano coaster, whether it's Zambezi, Zinger, or otherwise. Thanks for watching. Big Guy Rides.